Hi guys, it's Mrs. Warner from Southview Elementary. Today for your response to reading activity, you get to make your own comic strip. On the previous two slides, your teacher should have shown you different ideas on how to do characters and speech bubbles and things like that for your own comic strip. The links will be on your landing page, so you'll be able to go back and see those again if you want some more ideas. Your teacher's going to give you a paper that looks like this. It has 3 columns on it. You can do 3 sections of a comic strip. You can turn them this way and do them long ways. You can fold your paper in half, make a crease, and make it into 6 sections, which is like the sample I have right here on our slide. So think about your characters. Think about if you want them to be funny, if you want them to be serious, if you want them to be quiet and sneaky. It's all up to you. It's your comic strip. If you want to give it some sort of a message, maybe think about how to be kind to others or how to treat people in school, or maybe some sort of a problem you'd like to solve through using the comic strip. It's all up to you, whatever you want to do. Have fun.